Basically, it's about how they used to test someone if you are coming from South Africa or
Yes.
from another country. So they will ask you to say some words. For example, uqaba noxulu baxabana, So if you can't say like uqaba noxulu baxabana, and then if you can say it uqaba noxulu baxabana slowly, they will say it fast, uqaba noxulu baxabana. So that is how it works. And then there's a song which says "Igqirha lendlela uqongqothwane." Actually, it's a praise way. They're meaning the lion, It's more like a jazz song, but it goes like this: "Igqirha lendlela uqongqothwane, igqirha lendlela uqongqothwane," and it goes fast. "Seliqabela gqitha pha uqongqothwane." That is how they used to test.
Unfortunately, I won't be able to put my words in my
But
together.
you can,
Yeah.
you know what, to pronounce it, you push your tongue up and then you flip
As in,
it.
gra,
Ah,
gra, gra, gra.
Then you go say, "Igqirha lendlela uqongqothwane."